This is a cow. Cows are gentle farm animals that give us milk. They love to eat grass and spend time grazing in field. This is a dung beetle. Dung beetles are strong little insects that roll animal waste into balls. They use it for food and to build their nests. This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes that make each one special. They live in Africa and love to travel together in groups called herds. This is a bee. Bees are small flying insects that help flowers grow by spreading pollen. They make sweet honey and live together in busy colonies called hives. This is a goat. Goats are smart farm animals that can climb and jump easily. They eat grass, leaves, and love exploring. This is dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly animals, known as humans' best friend. They protect homes, help people, and love to play and stay close to their owners. This is a colorful fish. These fish live in the ocean and come in bright, beautiful colors. They swim in groups and help keep the underwater world alive. This is a sheep. Sheep are gentle farm animals covered in soft wool. People use their wool to make warm clothes, and they love to graze. This is a frog. A frog is a small, green animal that loves to live near water. It can jump high and makes a funny sound called ribbit. This is a rhinoceros. Rhinos have thick skin and strong horns on their noses. They are powerful animals that love to roam grasslands and forests. This is a horse. Horses are strong and fast animals. People ride them for travel, sports, and farm work. This is a scorpion. Scorpions are small desert animals with pincers and a curled tail with a sting. They use their venom to catch prey and protect themselves. Leopard. Leopards are powerful wild cats with beautiful spotted fur. They can climb trees, run fast, and hunt mostly at night. This is a grasshopper. Grasshoppers are small insects that can jump very high. They eat grass and make chirping sounds by rubbing their legs or wings. This is an elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals on Earth. They use their long trunks to eat, drink water, and spray themselves to stay cool. This is a bull. Bulls are strong and powerful farm animals. They are known for their strength and can be very protective. This is a chameleon. Chameleons are amazing lizards that can change their color to blend into their surroundings. They also use their long, sticky tongues to catch insects. This is a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. They use their long necks to reach tasty leaves high up in the trees. This is an iguana. Iguanas are large lizards with spiky backs and long tails. They love sunbathing and mostly eat leaves and plants. Bear. Bears are big, strong animals with thick fur and sharp claws. They love eating fish, berries, and honey, and some bears sleep all winter long.